Guys, Mobile Kings here, bringing you back another video on my channel, and I will be doing my first pack opening on this channel. It's like a bundle, sort of. There's 18 pro packs and 3 signature packs. Let's get right into it. Let's get some luck. We're gonna get a lot of golds. Wiki. Oh, Berzinkus. Harris. Come on, I want to see some red paint. Let's go red paint. Oh, Impact Damian Lillard. I think I already had that. Man, where's my red paint at? Oh, I think I got 2 that time. I don't remember. Wiki. Yeah, let's get some 80 pluses. Yeah. Come on, I want to see some red paint. Derek Williams. He plays on the Cavs. I don't know why he's still Heat. Red. I want to put on fire. Dwayne Wade. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on, EA. Let's hit it with the dab tactic. Oh, let's go. James Harden. Dab tactic always works. Let's hit it with another dab tactic. No. Hey. Turn up. Right hitter. Okay. Let's go. Oh, we only got one elite there. Okay. Signature player. Let's get 86 plus. Oh, Dragic. And then let's open the next one. 84. What the heck? I was pulling 85s and 89s yesterday. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.